An arbitration is like hiring your own judge. You're hiring an arbitrator to hear the dispute, have a hearing, and then make the decision.
So why would someone do arbitration?
Someone do arbitration because it is probably one of the most efficient ways to get a case done. You have a private arbitrator. If there's a dispute, usually you still have two lawyers, and it's usually binding. And your lawyer, there's a dispute about something that's interim. Someone's withdrawn $100,000 out of a bank account, and it might get dissipated. So your lawyer sends an email to the arbitrator raising the issue. The arbitrator sets a conference call or a Zoom conference or a meeting and hears the issue, and then within a week or two, there's a decision made. Versus going to court, that lawyer would need to draft a petition, file the petition, serve the petition, wait for a hearing date, and be one of many cases on the judge's list that day before that issue would be heard. So that could be, 6 to 8 weeks down the road?
Or more, because of continuances or witness availability, etc. In the cases that want it done quickly, the best option is arbitration to get it done quickly. But it has to be a joint agreement.
So there has to be an agreement to arbitrate, and I think the most difficult thing for people when agreeing to arbitration is that it's binding. So they really have to trust whoever the arbitrator is. And then that person, the arbitrator, is paid. So if there's already two lawyers representing each person, then there's a third lawyer, the arbitrator, that needs to be paid. I would argue that might be cheaper than waiting for waiting in the hall of the courthouse. Paying two lawyers at the same time waiting for your case to be called.
Well, and there's the benefit of efficiency. What's the cost of that? And
right.
There's a cost of being done quickly.
And there's also, if you're picking an arbitrator, it's someone that you know, and you kind of know what your arbitrator will or won't do with certain issues, and sometimes you don't know what judge you're going to get, or the judge is new, and you can't necessarily anticipate what the outcome might be. So there can be some more predictability.